Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this Wilko M300C Digital Multimeter. And you see it comes with these two probes already built into it. So as we swap this round, comes with the two probes. Has a variety of different sizes. So let's start with continuity first. So just set it to ohms. You've got 4 different settings. So this does DC, AC, ohms and amps. And it's on the continuity setting. So if you touch these two together, you should hear this lovely little beep. That means you've got continuity. So here's just a little close-up of everything. You can see there's the screen, quite clear. And then there's the 4 setting switch. So at the moment it's set to ohms. Then the next one's amps, and then DC volts, and then AC volts. All marked in yellow are the amps, the ohms, and the AC volts. That's enable, and then there's all the different settings. So the top one is continuity, and then as you can see they're all pretty much self-explanatory. But after that, this is a max of 300 volts AC. So I've just propped this up for a minute using a piece of wood, just so I can show you the it's set onto DC volts, and then I'm just wanting to show you the it reading volts in this demonstration. So this should be around 1.6. Get it right because it's quite difficult. Again, anything with cameras in the way, you know what it's like. But there we are. And there we are, 1.6 volts. This is a good this is a nice good little AA battery. Another thing you can test with this is resistance. So say if you know like this is just a 1k resistor here. Say like you know for instance a temperature sensor has different resistances. You could drop, like I said in the coolant temperature changers, you put these on the end and dip it in between hot and cold water, see if there's a variation in the resistance. So my final thoughts on this multimeter are, it's quite a handy little thing to have. You see the blue tack I used to hold down. Useful for everyday like checking of connectors, battery voltages. You can also use it to help check your alternators. Overall it's a very good little device to have, very compact, very easy to store. That's why I use it so much, it's just because I can have it on me. It's literally one of the things I stick in my pocket every day and use. And yeah, it's a very useful thing. I like the fact that you can fold it up really easily. Like all the wires always stored with it, so you don't have to worry about connectors. Yeah, overall, a really handy little tool to have. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.